I guarantee you right now, Warren Buffett's like, I told you so. What's up, guys? George here. And the crypto market's been, well, see for yourself. Bitcoin's sitting at 37,000, Ethereum sitting at 2,400, and Dogecoin, well, Dogecoin's not doing too bad, sitting at around 40 cents. And I guarantee you all the crypto haters right now are saying something like,
Ha! I knew it was a scam. It was all in fake money. I can't believe you invested in fake money.
So in this video today, I'll tell you what caused the crypto market to crash. If this is the end of the road for crypto, or is this the beginning of a crazy ride? And don't forget to smash that like button, just like my portfolio got smashed this week. But before all of that, let's just take a step back and see how crypto's fared this year. If you invested just last year, exactly last year, you would have had Bitcoin at $10,000. Right now, it's at $37,000. That's a 300% return. Where are you getting a 300% return? In a crypto crash. Now, Bitcoin is very volatile compared to a lot of other assets. It's a lot of momentum buying and selling. And there's a lot of speculation. So if it doesn't hit a specific price by a specific day, it's dead and trash and they sell it until it gets to a great price again and the cycle continues. Now, let's talk about the two major reasons crypto crashed. Recently, we've seen a lot of major institutions invest a lot of money into cryptocurrency as a whole, pumping its price up tremendously. But even then, crypto is really new in the grand scheme of things, and its market cap truly reflects that. Altogether, crypto is worth $1 to $2 trillion in market cap, depending on the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum usually, while the stock market has a market cap of $90 trillion. 90 trillion compared to 2 trillion. That's a big difference. And still in the stock market, you have companies like GameStop and AMC being completely manipulated by retail investors, institutional investors, and who knows what else. Which leads me to my first major reason why crypto really got hurt this month. Elon Musk. If you don't know already, Elon Musk's company Tesla invested $1.5 billion into Bitcoin recently at approximately a $38,000 to $45,000 per coin value. And when the news broke that Tesla invested in Bitcoin, well, it shot up. Bitcoin had momentum. It had positive news behind it, so kept soaring new high after high. Until it didn't. New tweets from Elon Musk saying Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin as payment due to how much power consumption it took really indicated the price was going to take a big hit. And then it began, a slew of tweets against Bitcoin, which I don't fully understand, because if an asset can be manipulated by an influencer or a tweet, then it still has a long way to go. Just look at Dogecoin. It almost went to $1 solely off of tweets. And if it can go up from tweets, it can go down from tweets just as fast. So when the news came out that Tesla was hopping out of Bitcoin, crash. Elon might sell his Bitcoin, crash. But what everybody's really wondering is, why is he publicly telling everybody? And here's my theory, and I really think this to be true. Elon Musk has a, well, rocky history with the SEC. If you remember back last year, he made a tweet saying, you know, Tesla's going to 420, private equity confirmed, and the SEC didn't like that. Tesla's a private company. You can't just go saying that it's going to go to a certain price because it wasn't at 420 and the price got manipulated upwards. So based on one tweet, Elon got fined, well, $20 million, and he was not happy about that. Elon really hasn't had a good relationship with the SEC. A lot of billionaires don't for some reason. Mark Cuban's the same. Now in the crypto space, there is no SEC. There is no real regulation. So you can tweet away. You can tweet good, bad, ugly. It doesn't matter. No tweet will get you in trouble. So Elon can go from pumping Bitcoin to Dogecoin to tanking Bitcoin and Dogecoin at the same time after performing an SNL skit, and nobody's going to say anything. But what I feel like he fails to see are the consequences to other people due to him having so much money. A lot of people invested their life savings and their retirement into crypto, all to see it just get halved over a stupid tweet to them. Now, while this might be really bad for some people in the short term, I truly believe in the grand scheme of things, this will just be a blip on the radar for the cryptocurrency space. Just imagine if the crypto space hits a $10, $20 trillion market cap. Just think how much harder it will be to manipulate it based on somebody's tweet. price manipulations will go down, just like they don't happen as frequently in the stock market. The bigger something is, the harder it is to move. Now, aside from Elon Musk messing with the SEC all day, the second major reason that crypto crashed is, well,
China.
A recent article came out that China started banning companies from using cryptocurrency. But this isn't anything new. China's been banning cryptocurrency since before I can remember, like 2011. They've been banning it every year. I think this is the 100th ban on crypto. I didn't think you could ban something multiple times. Now, the problem with all these ban articles that people are publishing is they're clickbait. They're not really banning cryptocurrency. They're banning institutions like banks and financial investing platforms from accepting and selling Bitcoin because it's not accepted as a currency in China as of yet. So a lot of these articles are just FUD articles, fear, uncertainty, and doubt that are driving the prices down. China isn't banning miners. China isn't banning crypto. You can still own it. You can still sell it. You can still trade it. It's just these big financial companies cannot hold Bitcoin, like Tesla, let's say. And a lot of speculation was saying that China might ban mining, and China provides a majority of the hash rate of Bitcoin. So if mining gets banned, Bitcoin is doomed, right? No, because there's a lot of things that go into Bitcoin as a whole. The developers, the businesses that use Bitcoin, the people that buy Bitcoin itself to increase its inherent value. Just because the miners might get hit, yeah, the price might take a hit in the short term, but in the grand scheme of things, it won't be that big. There's miners throughout the world, and they create these pools with other people to generate larger hash rates. So when you see China banning crypto, just remember, this is the 382nd time that they banned it, and it's not that big of a deal because they're not actually banning crypto. It's a play on words. They're banning it for major institutions to own and sell cryptocurrency. And this might just be a whole other grand scheme of manipulation to buy Bitcoin at a lower price. And will we suffer in the short term if we're in Bitcoin while the price is getting manipulated? Of course. We don't like any time our assets go down. But like I said, you gotta hold, you got a diamond hand through these turbulent times of price manipulation, because eventually it's just gonna be like an ocean. It's gonna be so big that even if you do a cannonball in the middle of it, nobody's gonna see it. But the real thing everybody came here to find out is Bitcoin dead? Is this the end of crypto? Are we going into a bear market? Well, let's just take another step back and put into the big grand perspective of what cryptocurrency has been and is doing. Now in 2017, on crypto's other bull run, we saw price hike after price hike. But what happened in between? Multiple major dips. Price manipulation, especially then when the market cap was smaller, it was so much easier to manipulate the price. And we saw multiple dips, such as the ones we're seeing today. The crypto space has always seen turbulent waters. And that's what makes crypto so great for some people, the volatility. And whenever people get scared of the volatility, I just tell them, take a step back. Look where Bitcoin has started and look where it has gone, and look how much more it has to go. It isn't even close to being fully adopted. Not even 1% of it is being fully adopted into our system, into our monetary system. And whether it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even Doge, whichever one gets adopted as the first mainstream currency, we'll see that crazy price hike. And then we will truly see the top of the top where the cryptocurrency market can really thrive. Now, if you're invested in crypto and you really feel a knife in your heart every time it dips, well, you probably have too much invested into it. Or you're not really looking for the long-term investment. You're looking for that shorter-term gain, that quick money. And that can be a real gamble. I always tell people that are new to crypto, think of it like a stock. Imagine getting on Amazon in the ground level, right? Worthless. But slowly went up and up and up and had major corrections. But look at it now, one of the biggest, if not biggest company in the world. So stop letting faulty news articles and billionaires tweeting things scare you off from investing. Just be safe when investing. I really think cryptocurrency is our ticket, our generation's generational wealth generator for financial freedom. It just really depends how long you hold on to it. But what do you guys think? Is Bitcoin dead? Will Dogecoin overtake it? Are you just selling all your crypto and getting out of this space completely? Let me know down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. This is not financial advice, and I will see you guys next time.